Hello, my name is Doug Pinkham. I'm the senior attorney here at Pinkham and Associates, a dedicated family law firm here in Orange County. We are going to talk today about the FL 150, one of the most used and most required forms here in California. The FL 150 is an income and expense declaration. It is used anytime and necessary to file it anytime you're asking for financial orders. So if you're asking for child support, spousal support, if you're asking for attorney's fees, if you're asking for sanctions, if the other side did something wrong, you can ask for sanctions it's needed. They are also used for declarations of disclosure, both preliminary declarations of disclosure, which are filed shortly after the beginning of a divorce, and final declarations of disclosure, which are typically filed, which are served toward the end of a divorce right before trial. Both are required. Also, an income and expense declaration can be used after your judgment's filed, post-judgment, as we call it. As long as child support or spousal support or other financial orders are in place, you have a right to send a request to the other side to fill out an income and expense declaration once per year, even after your judgment or your divorce is filed. Specifically, let's talk a little bit about the form itself. The income and expense declaration needs to be taken very seriously. This is the most cross-examined form that will be in the file. After this is filed, it's filed under penalty of perjury. So everything you say on there is under penalty of perjury. If you put that your income is $20 an hour and your income is really $25 an hour and you want to lower your income because you have to pay child support or spousal support, you will get hit and you will get sanctioned. There are questions on here about your expenses. On page 3, it has a huge list of expenses such as your rent or your mortgage payment, property taxes, health care not covered by insurance, clothing, child care, food, food that is eaten outside the home, restaurants, utilities, auto expenses, all kinds of expenses. Obviously, nobody knows exactly what they spend on those items per month, but you do need to give your best estimate. Also, you'll notice on item number 13, where it asks for those average monthly expenses, it has 3 boxes next to it. One is estimated expenses, one is actual expenses, and one is proposed needs. I highly recommend that you mark estimated expenses since, for example, your grocery costs are going to be different each month. If you are asking for child support and spousal support because you intend to move out of the home and get your own apartment, for example, or your own home, then you might also want to mark proposed needs and mark the amount of money in all of those categories that you estimate that you're going to need after you move. That's what proposed needs means. Again, please keep in mind this form is very, very serious. It is signed under penalty of perjury, and you will be held accountable for whatever you put on this form. So if you have any other questions or if you need assistance filling this form out, I'd be happy to help you out or provide a little more information. Feel free to give us a call. Phone number here at the firm is 714-730-0111. Thank you very much.